some hooks for our fire irons over there. We've also been melting down some babbitt for some bearings we're working on. If we turn the forge crank, it delivers oxygen or air into the bottom of the fire. You see it glows and gets hotter. That allows us to get this steel very hot. So I've just drawn it out from round to square, tapered. Now I'll just round up a little bit more. It'll be an S hook. Will be just like it sounds. A hook on both ends to hang our cooking pot over the fire when we cook outside.